going, everyone? Observation King here with you again, and today I want to talk about sowing capsicum. So that will be chili peppers very early. But before I carry on, I just want you to go down in the description and just check that out, because I do actually have a link to a new blog that I started in the new year, and it's also about gardening. So if you want to check that out, just do that. Okay, now capsicum, chilies, peppers, they can take quite a while to take off, unlike some other plants like lettuce or beans, for example. They can take quite some time to germinate, and then when they do germinate, it takes ages for them to grow. So by the time you actually do it, say for example you sowed in April, you won't really get a crop until the very end of the year. But depending on how long your growing season is, you might not actually get a crop at all. So one way to actually counteract that is to actually sow quite early indoors. So you can see I've got like a small clump of chili seeds here that I had dried, and I actually kept them together. And in this small container, I've got some pepper seeds. So I got myself my modular tray. I'll just be filling this with some compost, and I'll be putting 2 seeds per cell, and that will be that. Right, once you've done that, you just want to give it a gentle packing, just like this, just to remove any air pockets. And you want to do that for all of them before you actually create your holes to put your seeds in. That just removes any air pockets, and then we can start. Right, so now that I've done that, just pop the last one in there, cover that up completely. Then, as you can see, I've done with the chili here, I've stuck in a label. You always want to label what you're actually going to be growing, because it's too easy to forget. Then all you need to do is just water that, leave it indoors, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm out.